Set the zoom sleeve into the housing's port mount and thread in the zoom gear retainer. Make sure the O-ring on the port mount is clean and lightly lubricated. Only use the Ikelite lubricant provided with your system. Loosen each of the 3 thumb screws on the 28mm port extension so they are clear of the sealing surface and at least 5 threads are visible on the outside of the part. Make sure the sealing surface is clean, then align the thumb screws with the recess on the port mount. Firmly press the extension onto the housing and finger tighten all 3 thumb screws. Align the red mount index on the lens with the red mount index on the camera to attach the lens. Lubricate the extension's O-ring just as before. Loosen the port's thumb screws in the same manner as the extension and ensure that its sealing surface is clean. Align the thumb screws with the recesses on the extension and firmly press together. Finger tighten all 3 thumb screws. Finally, rotate the housing zoom knob to ensure that it is changing the lens's focal length.